A question I often get from our clients is, what's the difference between making a video? I've made videos, and video marketing, video strategy, which is what we do. And the difference is getting seen, being relevant, getting found. Google produces great search results. YouTube produces better search results because people are on YouTube searching for the answer that you have. So we see people who have gone to the effort to make a video, and what they do is they just put it up on YouTube and hope for the best. And that doesn't work. We work with clients to create permanent video marketing assets that show off their expertise, and then we work with them to make sure they have a plan to get those videos seen. So every social media platform is a little bit different. It's a little bit nuanced. The headlines are different. On LinkedIn, you want a slightly different headline than YouTube, slightly different headline than Facebook. You want to get that video up on your website, and you want to make sure all of these things link to each other for authority in your search engine rankings, right? But also you want to make sure that all of these outposts on the internet, all these videos, point back to you. And it's also important to tell people what to do next. A call to action doesn't have to be buy now. They might not be ready for that, but a call to action is important. You have to tell people what to do next, because if they watched all the way to the end of your video, they want to know what to do next. So a video marketing strategy includes giving people the answer to the question, the information they seek, offering them more of that. So we work with people all the time to say, hey, if you'd like to know more, go to website.com, call me at, send me an email, nice and easy. Like anything meaningful and valuable in business and life, in the beginning it does take a little effort, but most of it's just getting organized and getting prepared. Right? Do you have a few headlines about your business that you lean on and go to that are effective? 8-10 words that really punch. Do you have a power paragraph that you can use in the description? Do you have landing pages on your website? If you're telling somebody about a thing, a specific service or product that you sell, you don't want to just ask them to go to your homepage, because they're interested in that thing. You want to send them to that specific page. So it's not complicated, it's not arduous, it just takes a little attention to detail. And we provide our clients with either full service support or a very definitive checklist. Do this, and then this, and then this. And after a little bit of time, it becomes natural. We work with our clients to create a golden marketing folder that just has all this kind of stuff in it. Oh, I need a good headline. Let me check. I've used this one before. This was good. Oh, that power paragraph that I need, 30 words about how great my business is. We want that. And what about the link? And is there a quote from a customer? Once you have it all in one place, once you have a strategy, once you have a track to follow, it becomes second nature. And most importantly, once you start seeing the results, it's not a chore. It becomes something that, dare I say, fun? Maybe not fun. I like it. Some people have fun.